Hello and welcome to the Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up a shortcut for your camera on POCO M3 phone. To do this, we will go to the settings, scroll down to additional settings, button shortcuts, launch camera, and we have few options here to choose from. Double power button, long press home button, etc. We will choose this one. Double press power button. Okay, let's see if it works. Okay, double tap. Yes, it's working. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.